I can get my lights, that'd be dope. I don't know where it is. Ah, I got him. What the piss bucket? So many cars. What the frick? Nah, that was cool. Today, great day, bro. I love having the weekend off, and I don't very often get the weekend off. Oh shit. That was hella worth it. The way life works sometimes, like, you ever just think, like, if you didn't decide to do this or that, like, you never would have done this or that. Like, when I think about things, like, that wording was bad, but, like, imagine I never went to the grocery store, right? And I never met that one person that I saw, or they didn't see that person. Like, I'd have stayed home, didn't have that opportunity of making something happen, whether it's doing something so small. Today, like, just the fact that I decided to stay out a little bit longer and just take photos on my bike, whether they were terrible photos or not, and the timing of that, the fact that I saw those guys who I was supposed to meet up with today but didn't, and then just randomly saw them, not only didn't know who they were, but went to turn around and they did too to find me. Like, what? Wild. Like, what? Bro, are you gonna go? Like, what? Thank you. He was like, what? I'm about to hit you, what? Oh, look how nice that subway looks. I don't even think I've ever seen that, and I've been here, down here a few. Now this lighting, oh, fantastico. Yes. Yo, she's like swinging her leg. Oh my god, dude, that sky looks nice. There's not even like, not a lot to it, but why is my music not playing? That's like upsetting, actually. I'm not even know why. Alright, I gotta figure it out. Because my music was vibey. Hold on, is my shit even on? Fuck. Where's my... Bitch! Hold up. My shit wasn't even on! What? I was trying to play it and my thing was off that whole time. What a bozo I am. I'm so dumb. No! What'd I do? That song's goated. I don't think I'm gonna... Oh, never mind. We might be. I might do it. Oh my fucking god. Fuck it. hour. You think I'm waiting behind that? Hell no. Hell no. Yo, what? What? There's people skydiving. No way. That's wild. Look at that. Yo. Oh my god, that's fucking wicked. I don't even know if they see me. No way. What? That's actually wild. That's hilarious. Dude, I don't think I've like ever seen that. Hey! No way. That's sick. Ooh, Scott, that's cold. That has got to be cold over there. Bro, and they're seeing the sunset too. That's a vibe. No way. That's so cool. Oh my god. I really hope the camera picks that up. It is very hard to see. Oh my god, dude. If I was that guy right there, I would be the happiest person ever. He's like barely even going down. That is so cool. Yo. Oh my god, I can't get over that. He's like, alright, I gotta turn around now. That is so cool. It is cold. Holy hell. When that sun went down, like it's going down, it's so cold right now. There's like a little rainbow right up there. That's kind of cool. That's actually really cool. What? There's like a rainbow there, and there's like a little one over there somewhere. It's hard to see. And they're still up there. That's crazy. I might have to call it, bro. It's cold. It's getting cold. Oh my god. Yo, who's that biker? I'm gonna guess the black cruiser. And he's on a helmet easily. He said, whoop. Go park his bike on the porch. These gloves aren't that bad. It's like in the beginning I was like, damn, I should not have worn these gloves. I can hardly hear myself right now. If I do this, I can like a little hear myself, but it's so loud, this helmet. He probably usually sits up there, but he's not there today. Thankfully. I'm going pretty fast. I really hope KYT has better helmets than this, because I'm not trying to lose my hearing at this age. Are you fucking kidding me, bro? He didn't hit it. He was looking left. I wonder if I can still... No, I don't know. I don't see... Yeah, they gotta be down by now. It's probably time to change my ND filter, I'm not even gonna lie. I got an idea. They still live here. Fucking bitches. so weird. Used to be like my everyday thing. This used to be my dad's old house. Place was so nice.